Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pellet stove that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the US Stove Company USGW1949 Wiseway Non-Electric Pellet Stove. The US Stove Company GW1949 pellet stove looks like something straight out of a steel factory. The natural gravity feed system gives it an industrial aesthetic that works great in a modern home. Contrasted with exposed brickwork, and this stove can create the perfect centerpiece for your living space. The other benefit of the gravity feed system is that it doesn't require electricity to operate. Simply fill the 60-pound hopper and the burner will last for 30 hours. This impressive stove has a heat output of 40,000 BTUs, which means it can heat an area of up to 2,000 square feet. With that sort of power, it can replace a traditional central heating system in a home, or at least work alongside it. It's completely silent and burns clean, so you can have a guilt-free conscience when it comes to staying warm. Moving on, at number 4, we have the comfortbilt pellet stove HP22. The comfortbilt pellet stove provides power and efficiency while also delivers the superb comfort you deserve from your home. With 50,000 BTU, British thermal units, those days of frosted evening breath are over. Instead, you can enjoy the warmth in any room up to a comprehensive 2,500 square feet. The large viewing area adds an appealing look to the entire unit, and it gives you the wood fire feel that is the whole reason you're buying a pellet stove to begin with. Through this, you can watch the flames and embers dance before you, adding a comforting and cozy atmosphere that's sure to improve even the dreariest days you've been forced to spend indoors. At number 3, we have the Castle Serenity Wood Pellet Stove. Boasting a smart controller and a variety of operating modes, the Castle Serenity Wood Pellet Stove is an option for the more tech-savvy guys searching desperately for a solution to a chilly house. At 77 watts, it heats a 1,500 square foot residence with ease and also provides nearly 70% thermal efficiency to prevent too much wasted energy flying out the chimney. It's as compact as possible without losing heating quality, but even with this small size, it's still easy to clean to keep it in top condition. There's no automatic shut-off, but with the remote, that shouldn't be too hard to fix yourself, and it's a small issue with a stove as affordable as this one. At number 2, we have the PelPro COVALENTP1P130B pellet stove. The PelPro COVALENTP1P130B is a powerful and compact pellet stove that is perfect for heating up a large area. It might not look that impressive, but with a power output of 40,600 BTU, it can heat an area up to 2,500 square feet. That means you can rely on this heater alone in the winter if you have a relatively small home. It also has a large capacity hopper, 130 pounds, which means it can burn for up to 96 hours without needing a refill. It has been certified by the EPA for clean burning performance. Another reason we love the PelPro COVALENTP1P130B is that it has an intuitive dial thermostat that lets you find the perfect temperature for the room. And finally, at number 1, we have the Drolet ECO55 Street Pellet Stove. The Drolet ECO55 Street Pellet Stove is pretty new to Amazon, but we thought it deserved a mention on this list. This amazing stove has been reviewed elsewhere, and there are a couple of YouTube videos showing them in action. It's towards the higher end of what you'd expect to pay for this kind of fireplace, which is probably why it's not a best-selling product. However, we think the extra cost could be really worth your investment. It's made from high-quality Canadian steel and has a ceramic glass window imported from Germany. It meets all of the highest environmental standards and is super easy to use, with an electronic control system and a simple thermostatic control. Plus, it has a large 60 pounds, 27 kilogram, hopper that provides 51 hours of continuous heat. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.